David, what happened, dude?
Dude, I thought you had it! What happened? Dude, don't do anything crazy like smashing your head with a beer bottle.
David.
Dude, it's okay. Just play again. Just play again,
That's
man.
the game, dude.
Dude, just play again. Come on, you can do it. You heard kick his ass.
I work my ass off. So hard. You don't need pity in your life.
Oh.